Hey, hi. Currently, I created a PayPal account, a personal PayPal account, and I was welcomed with this PayPal balance. Now, in my country, in Uganda, we are kind of restricted from receiving on PayPal. And when I saw this in my personal account, I jumped with joy. I thought actually Uganda now can receive. Okay. Now, unfortunately, this PayPal balance still doesn't mean that you can receive. How can you know you can receive in PayPal? When you look at the menu, you see that we have send. We have home, send, wallet, activity, help. Okay. It might look slightly different from yours, but what I'm sure is on the menu, if you can't see something like send and receive, something like pay and get paid, it means you can't receive. When you check here, in this account which can receive, you realize actually there's a big difference. This one has pay and get paid. In your PayPal menu, you have to find something like pay and get paid. Now the arrangement may be differently. Here there may be something, maybe payment, something like that. But when you go to payments, you have to be able to see pay and get paid or send and receive. They have to be two. Okay. In the other account, however, you can see it has a PayPal balance, but on the top it has send only, meaning it can only send. So the PayPal balance showing in my personal PayPal account is actually useless because it can never have money will never reflect here. Okay, so meaning like PayPal balance as area before this, the PayPal balance was appearing in business PayPal accounts, but I think as of maybe this year, 2025, PayPal balance can appear in personal accounts, even if you're from a restricted country, but doesn't mean that you can receive. As long as you don't see pay and get paid, it means you can't receive actually on PayPal. So if you're seeing this and you have a PayPal balance, it doesn't mean you can receive. Okay. Actually, for me, I find it useless because you will never have money here. Even if you want to create your PayPal, you just have to link a card here as I've linked, but you can't receive money into your PayPal balance. In other words, this PayPal balance, I think anytime it will be removed out if you're coming from a country which is restricted. All you have to do is you have to create an account with a supported country and get get paid in case you want to be receiving. Okay. I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Let me know if you have any question. You can post it in the comment section below and I'll reply to you. Bye bye and see you in the next video. Okay, bye.